I was a backend developer for 5 years when I decided to transition to ML engineering. The field seemed exciting, but really overwhelming. And I've taken multiple online courses, but couldn't really see how to connect them to actual job requirements. Techademy's career transition program provided me that crystal clear roadmap that I was personally missing. What really separated this program was the hands-on approach with real-world projects. The 2 capstone projects that I built became the highlight of my portfolio and interviews. Their ML and deployment focus meant I wasn't just learning theory, I was building production-ready systems that impressed interviewers. The 6-month support period after the live classes was absolutely crucial. I had access to instructors for doubt clearing even months after completing the course, which is very useful. The mock interview specifically prepared for ML roles gave me confidence that I had never ever had before. And thanks to Techademy, I successfully transitioned from backend development to an ML engineer role at a top AI startup with a 40% salary increase.